We're working with Animate CC, and we're going to make a new project, a new document, and we're going to animate PNG and JPG raster files. In order to do that, make sure you launch your Animate, and we're going to click on the Create New button. The presets will show up. Make sure you're in the Character Animation tab preset. Select HD and make sure the details are exactly that you see here. The frame rate, please make sure it's at 30. If not, change it to 30. And the platform type is going to be ActionScript 3. Now we're going to click on the Create. First thing that you see is the Untitled, which we haven't named it yet, the toolbar, the timeline. If you do not have it set up this way, make sure you go to the Windows, go to Workspace, and make sure you're in the Basic Workspace. This button right here is a shortcut to change your workspaces, and this is always going to help you reset your workspace. So again, we're working in the Basic. We're going to name our document. That's the first thing we need to do. File, Save As. The Save As is going to allow us to pick where and the name. We always going to name it based on the scene that we're working on. So this is my first scene or page 1. First scene, page 1. And it will always be named or saved in your animation project folder. So all of these assets are going to go inside this animation. So we all have to be in one folder. I'm going to zoom out of the stage. So we're going to go right over here where it says 100 and zoom out to 50. So this is your stage, and we want to bring in our first image. As you can see in the timeline, you have a layer 1 and your time indicator is at frame 1. We're going to File and Import to Stage. This is how we're going to bring in all of our assets. We're going to go to File, Import to Stage. Then we're going to click on Background, and you're going to click on your first background image. This is my first image for my page 1. I'm going to zoom out using the keyboard shortcut, which is Command minus, and I'm going to use the space bar that brings up the hand tool to move up. Now, in order to scale your images that you bring in, right over here in the toolbar is the free transform. Click there. You'll bring up the handles for that free transform. Hold down the shift key and scale proportionally. It will scale without distorting. Now I'm going to do the short command keyboard, Command plus, to zoom in. Now once you have your background exactly the way you need it, I'm going to go back to the selection tool. Make sure it's slightly over your stage so we have enough to work with, and we're going to name that background. Now with that image, we want to also make sure every time we bring in an image that's a PNG or a JPEG, we're going to go to Modify, and we're going to convert that to symbol. And we're going to make sure the type is going to be a graphic. That's going to be the same name as our layer. And we're done bringing in and working with the background. So lock that layer. And we're going to create a new layer. And that new layer is going to be our next item that we bring in. So File, Import to Stage. And you're going to go back to your animation project folder and bring in your image. Right there's our first character. Now again, we're going to go to Modify, Convert to Symbol, and I'm going to call that Pig 1, and it's a front, Pig 1 front. Now the layer, I'm going to abbreviate that Pig 1 and just say P1, and then I'm going to spell out front. Now watch this. When I hit return, you're going to see a message. This is only because I made a little space between the 1 and the F, and that's okay. As you can see, it fills in with a underscore line. Now I'm going to lock that layer as well. And I'm going to bring in and make a new layer first. File, import, import to stage. And we're going to do the next images. P2 front. I move it over here. I'm going to make sure I go to modify, convert to symbol. Make sure it's graphic. I'm going to name the layer. And now I'm going to lock it. And again, make a new layer first. Then go to File. Then go to Import to Stage. And select your item that you'd like to bring in. Once you bring it in, you want to make sure you go to Modify and Convert to Symbol. And we name that. And then we're going to make sure we name that layer. So the symbol name and the layer name should be the same. We're going to File, Save, Command S. We no longer need to do Save As. So File, Save. So right now we have our document named. We have everything that I want to start working with, and we have them in their own layers. Double check by right here and turn on and off to make sure you have each of your assets in its own layers, and then we're going to be ready to move on to the next phase.